Crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and we're back in Phoenix after a long holiday weekend. Had a blast up at the park home. Still getting used to everything and how things are going to work out there, but we'll get it figured out. It just takes time. Sorry, I see a reflection. I'm trying to, there you go. We'll get it figured out. It just takes a little time. Still having a lot of work going on, and hopefully soon all that'll stop. But if you remember, I told you Fat Quarter Shop had a special, and of course I have no resistance whatsoever. So I did buy a few things, and I got home, and here is this nice heavy box from Fat Quarter Shop. So I was like, wow, why don't I jump on and let's open it together and see what's in here. Hopefully it's nothing too crazy, but it is what it is, right? So at the end of the day, I already bought it. Oh my gosh. So this is what Russ made me buy, and I had to get it because I really have fallen in love with Tula Pink. I won't say that I like some of her new designs and stuff, but this quilt kit was like 40% off. It is the Free Spirit kit, which I think is an older kit. And Lord knows what I'm going to get to it, but I was just, I don't know, he sent it to me. Actually, I think looking at something else. He ended up not buying the kit. I ended up buying the kit because I just fell in love with this kit. So I am not going to take all the fabrics out, and I will apologize up front for that because they're just packed in here just perfect. I don't know when I'm going to get to it, and I don't want to have to try to get all these back in here. But let's show you what I got. This quilt kit was $145. I never, ever, ever spend that kind of money on a quilt kit. That Quarter Shop kind of suckered me in, and because it was a Tula Pink, I really just couldn't help myself, so I ended up getting it. And you know what? I went back to work today to try to make more money. So that's kind of what we work for. Although I am trying to put more in the bank because I do want to retire in a few years. But with all that said, this is Free Spirit Heartburst Quilt Kit featuring Besties and True Colors by Tula Pink. It includes the metallic and the neon fabrics. So, look folks. I mean, talk about a beautiful quilt kit. If I can get my skill set up to where it needs to be, I would think this would be an amazing kit to enter into a quilt show. But I really have got to think about how I'm doing it, really focus on making sure I'm doing everything correct, and we will make that happen. Tula Pink says that this is a 72 by 92 finished quilt. The technique is pieced. They consider the skill level advanced beginner. So I definitely consider myself beginner. So we'll say I'm advanced because come September, it'll be 2 years. All fabrics needed to assemble quilt top and binding are in here. The Heartburst quilt pattern with instructions and the color diagrams. What they did not include was the backing fabric, and they suggest using the Bic Charmer, which I don't even know if that's available. And I tend to do my own thing on backings and that anyways. I typically don't buy those. But I don't know if you can see some of the colors and that. I think this is going to be an amazing, beautiful quilt. I am really excited for it. Again, I typically don't spend this kind of money on quilt kits, but I'm just falling in love with Tula Pink, although I will say her newest collection, the Beasties or whatever, with all like the African animals and that just doesn't resonate with me. So that was an easy pass for me the other day at the quilt show, but we'll figure it out. So anyways, with that said, thanks for dropping in this morning. I am sorry if I got a little too much energy for you bright and early this morning, but you know, hey, that's who I am. If you like what I'm doing, hit that thumbs up. As always, thank you and welcome to any and all new subscribers. We are well over 850 subscribers, on our way for 1,000. I think July is our 1 year anniversary on the channel. I need to look that up. I doubt we'll make 1,000 subscribers by our 1 year anniversary, but would be nice if we could hit that number in 2024, but we'll see. Each of you are important to us. We appreciate that you support what we're doing. I appreciate that you listen and tune in just to hear what's going on in my crazy messed up life at times. But all that to say, guys, thanks for dropping in, and until next time, happy crafting!